Millions take Cymbalta, but what if it's silently impacting your health in ways you haven't considered? You might be missing crucial information about this common medication. Today, we're diving deep into Cymbalta, a medication often prescribed for conditions like major depressive disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, nerve pain from diabetes, and fibromyalgia. While it brings relief to many by helping balance brain chemicals, it's vital to understand its purpose. And, more importantly, three key risks you need to be aware of before or while taking it. First, let's talk about withdrawal syndrome. Many patients aren't fully prepared for the discontinuation syndrome that can occur if Cymbalta is stopped too quickly. Symptoms can include dizziness, nausea, headaches, and even electric shock-like sensations, often called brain zaps. It's a challenge many face, and it highlights why gradual tapering under a doctor's guidance is crucial. Second, there's the risk of liver damage. While rare, Cymbalta can affect your liver, especially if you have existing liver conditions or consume a lot of alcohol. It's important to watch for unusual fatigue, dark urine, or yellowing of the skin or eyes, signs that warrant immediate medical attention. Finally, Cymbalta can sometimes lead to increased blood pressure and heart rate. For individuals with pre-existing heart conditions or hypertension, this risk is particularly important. Regular monitoring of your blood pressure is a must while on this medication. These aren't just minor annoyances. They are significant considerations to discuss with your healthcare provider. Understanding these points isn't about scaring you, but empowering you to have informed conversations with your doctor. Never adjust your dosage or stop Cymbalta without medical supervision. If you want to learn more about managing medication side effects, check out our next video right here.